Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. God bless you in Jesus' name. So I want to show you the intro of this song. I want to teach you rather the intro to this song, but I'm going to play it first. Better by Tye Tribbett. So it goes like this: one, two, three, one, two, three. Then the second one. Right. Then da 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 Right. So and it keeps going like that. So the intro was played. Uh, the first one was played. I'll look at that from a key of B flat. You can look at it from E flat also, but I'll look at it from E flat. So you had a ba, 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 so that was that. So that was like in the key of B flat. B flat has a B flat, C, D, E flat, F, G, A, B flat, right? So I'll look at that like this. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So pa 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 pa. Then pa pa. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 2, 3. Then the other C, G, C on the left. On the right you have a E flat, G, C, and E flat. Then 6, which is a G, D, G, D, G, B flat, and D. To 5, which is a F, C, F, C, F, A, F. So then the rest of this chord, which is your 6, your 4, your 6, then your 1, 4, 5. Then they did the same thing in the key of A flat. Then, or you can look at it from C sharp also, saying that's La ti do re mi fi sa si ti. So, but I look at it from A flat. Re mi fa sol la ti do. Then di mi, di mi. So in the key of A flat, ba 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 ba. Then ba ba. Then they play the so F sharp your bass. This chord, that's a B flat minor. Then to 1 on A flat. Then still this one on the right. Then you have your 6 on A flat, right? Then they settle before doing so that part was F, G, give A flat to B flat. Then they did this chord F sharp on the left. We have E flat, F, A flat, and C. To B on the left. Then we have B on the right, C sharp, F, and then B flat. So then so the last chord was A flat and E flat on the left. On the right you have F sharp, C, F, and A flat. So then he did it something like So so you can either do mi sol la do re mi sol la do, or you can do so either of the two. You can do 3 6 1 2 and you can be flat, right? Right. So and then come back with your 3 2 1 6. Right. So before they went to the key of E. Da, 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 da. So if you want a full breakdown of this song, join the channel membership and then you get the full breakdown. God bless you. Right, so once you get like 10 people join the channel membership, I mean, you get a breakdown right there, everything complete. God bless you. Bye.